Hello. Today we're going to do an activity with partners. Our goal is to use questions and answers to figure out what our partner's job is. So basically we're going to guess the job. Alright, now I want you to find a partner that you would like to work with for today's activity. So go ahead and partner up. Alright. Now each of you will be given one handout to work with. Alright. Now in the box on that handout you will see a list of different types of jobs. So take a look over them. Alright. Now for the first round of this activity, each one of you needs to choose one job from that list. Alright. Now the goal is for you to ask and answer questions. The goal is for you to figure out what your partner's job is. So one of you will ask a question, then answer, and then you will switch so that each one of you has an equal chance to figure out who the other's job is. Now for this activity, we need to specifically use modals. Modals to talk about abilities. Can someone do this? Can they not do that? Could they be doing this? Or they couldn't do that? Or are they able to? Or is she able to? Okay. Now on the handout, I've given you an example dialogue as a guide for helping you to develop your questions and to provide answers to those questions. So if you look on the handout, if one of you had the job of server, your partner might ask you the question, is this person able to help me in some way? And the answer could be, she's able to help you meet your physical needs. Well, this might have your partner ask another question. Can she help me with health concerns? And your possible answer could be, in a way, she can help you get food. So as you see, the goal is to ask questions targeted towards revealing what the job ability is, to help you figure out what that job is. So you can use that as a guide to help you with formulating questions and to provide answers to help inform your partner so they can figure out what your job is. Okay, I will give you 10 minutes to work with your partner. If at the end of the 10 minutes you haven't figured out what each other's job is, well, just reveal it to your partner and have a good laugh. All right. We're going to do this for a total of 3 rounds. And for each round, you will want to choose a different job so that you can have more practice with developing questions and answering questions pertaining to that job. Okay. When all the rounds are over with your partner, I want you to pick one specific job that you find very interesting. And what I want you to do is to use the lines at the bottom of that handout to write a short paragraph discussing what that job entails. What are the abilities associated with that job? What can people do? What could they do? What are they able to do in that job? You can think of it as like a short job description to let people know more about what a person would need to do in that job if they had that job. All right, we'll get started in a few minutes. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me or ask your partner. All right, are we ready? All right, start.